The notification is out, and if you are preparing for CLAT PG 2027, you have got 4 months to prepare. The date has officially announced the 6th of December, and if you are someone who is preparing for CLAT PG, this video is going to be very important for you because I am going to discuss what should you do for the next 4 months to clear your CLAT PG paper this year and get universities like NLSIU Bangalore, Nalsar, Gujarat Gandhinagar, NLU, or any other tier 1 national law university. Hello everybody, my name is Advocate Harsh Chotrani. I am the faculty of law at ADDA 247, and in this video we will cover the pattern. First we will understand the pattern, what is important for your next 4 months, what subject that are important for your next 4 months, plus the weightage part, though it has never been defined that this particular weightage is for your this particular section, but still looking at the previous year's paper, I have come up with a solution that if you do your constitution, your jurisprudence, your civil and criminal law, your 70% of the paper have been coming from these particular questions, and other 30% of the paper is from your emerging laws, intellectual property rights, labor laws. If we talk about your small minor criminal acts, all these acts covers your 30%. Now, since you have been preparing it, or if you are just starting also, don't worry, this is the right times to start, and next 4 months will be completely a desirable months. If I tell you, complete desirable months to clear your CLAT PG paper. And also at ADDA 247 we have just launched our courses, so you can also get in touch with us if you need a complete preparation. If you go to ADDA 247 and if you click on this particular website, you will go to all courses. You will go to UG PG entrance. You will find here law entrance 5 years and 3 year LLB, and you will see CLAT PG 2026 course here. And it is a live two-way interactive live classes will be there, and all the subjects in 90 class we have divided it, plus we have also kept couple of more classes for you, and you can buy this at a very discounted price. You can also use my code HARSH in this coupon code section to get the maximum discount. The sale is live at 38%, but if you use my code HARSH, this discount will be of 40% and you'll get my mentorship as well. Now, if I move to your weightage section, if we see, we have constitutional law, jurisprudence, your criminals and civil laws, courts and contracts and torts as your major weightage part, plus this family law, either it is Hindu, Muslim, or your Christian. Then you have international law as well, you have public international laws, then you have company law, environmental law, administrative law. I will put administrative law next to constitution law because it is equally important, and in your CLAT PG paper you don't have to go through each and every article. You don't have to go through all the orders in your CPC. 157 sections are there, but still you have a lot of orders, and all orders are not to be read in your contract part 1 and part 2, that is 1 to 75, then your bailment extra, etc, etc. All these things need a little bit of understanding, but somewhere it is important that you know that particular section and the case law. Coming to the case laws, your 4-month strategy should start from completing your core subjects theory and landmark foundational judgment. See, if we start with constitution, then jurisprudence, admin law, your civil and criminal laws, then your small and minor acts, family law, you cover all these subjects step by step. You have already done all these subjects during your 5 years or your 3-year LLB degree, but still a brushing up is required. Your bare act reading is important, plus the landmark judgment, the most important judgment that are there, you need to do that. In your month 2, you are going to analyze the recent judgment along with the judgment that you have already taken through your specific subject. Now, since your paper is in December, on 6th, January to November, January to November time period, you all the judgments, all the landmark judgments, either it is a fundamental right to walk on the footpath, or your recent development in article number 21, article number 14, your menstrual rights, all these things are important. You need to go through these landmark judgments as well. Month 3, you cover sectional wise practice test. Sectional wise practice test includes your constitution sections question, then your jurisprudence section question, then your family law, your criminal section question, then your civil section question, your contract torts, and your emerging law. All these subject speed drills, all these subject particular section that are required in your constitution. There are certain set schedules that you need to read, and question comes from these schedules. Your FIR with your procedures are important. So all these things, plus if you are also preparing for CLAT PG, let me tell you one thing, you need to know IPC and your BNS changes. You need to know CRPC and BNSS changes. You need to see these things. So you have to take both these things side by side. And lastly, in your fourth month 4, because you will have your 10th semester or your last year paper as well, and you have to go through with your thesis also. I would tell you that in these 3 months, if you have missed something in month 1 also, you can cover that in second month, and first 2 month can be your subject specific plus mocks. Month 3 is going to be just your test. Until and unless you don't test yourself, this particular thing that is in your mind ki yes, I will clear my paper, yes, I will clear my paper, that particular thing will, you know, will come somewhere at the end by seeing that marks, and it will make you more into that particular subject, and you will enhance and you will increase your speed and accuracy. And month 4 is your full length mock test series. I gave 50 mock tests in my month 4. Why I am telling you, I plan to give 60, morning one, evening one, morning one, evening one, but sometimes there are Sundays, sometimes there are birthdays, sometimes there are things that you need to learn. So all these things I did 50 mock tests in my last, when I was preparing my CLAT PG paper in the last month, I gave 50 mock tests, and I am telling you that 50 mock tests were the key to get me into Gujarat National Law University's Gandhinagar campus. And this is the only key, because during this particular months I covered each and every specific sections of my subjects, and I knew what to study, and I knew what things that are coming, because there are so many sections and you can't know and learn each and every. You can understand these sections, but you can't specifically name each and everything. Now if I talk about your core foundational building, your month 1, so you start with your constitutional law, jurisprudence, crimes and contract. See, consti will be coming and has always come in your paper with the majority of part, and jurisprudence is something that each and every law student hate also and love as a subject. Now these two things, with your torts, with your contracts, with your admin law, and somewhere your evidence act, your CPC and CRPC are your major foundations. If you complete these things in your first month, along with certain if you are doing CPC, you are doing limitation act also. If you are doing evidence act, you go through with IPC and your CRPC, your BNS and BNSS also. Torts, contract go side by. Special contract act you can do with this particular part, and your month 1 will be covered. In your second month, things that have left in your 1 month, the subject that have left, you start doing that minor subject along with your Supreme Court landmark cases. So in first month you have already dealt with the specific subject landmark cases, and in month 2 what you do, the minor parts and your recent judgment that have been coming in your year, you have to go through with that. And I will tell you, take last 2 years only, this particular current year from Jan to November and the previous year, and you will done. Supreme Court digest is there, you can do that. Now the target window is Supreme Court decision. Then you have your, now you have a pattern, you have to not read whole of the judgment, it is just your facts, what was the question of law and what was the decision, and did something happen. And at lastly what you do is ki note historical cases overruled, and if there is anything that has been overruled or any rehearing of the case, when it will be done. In your month 3, the next thing, the key target is your the landmark judgment target, because these landmark judgment targets help you to develop your accuracy, and your CLAD PG directly text your familiarity with experts from recent constitutional bench ruling, and that's why I told you the digest part is important. Moving ahead, how to study. See, in morning you need to go through with your core subject theory. If I tell you start with constitution, if you are taking constitution in the morning, for the evening part you keep it very light. What you have done in your constitution in the morning with judgment, you just make the notes, and in this particular batches that I have told you, will provide notes so that you don't have to do so much of writing. You can get these PDF, you can print it out. It is my written PDF and my team's written PDF. Our research, each and everything is done. In afternoon you take judgment analysis and summary notes making. In evening, secondary subject review and MCQ speed. And at night you do mocks analysis and error log. Is something, this particular procedure I am not going to, this particular CPC order is something that is taking my mind off again and again, and this is what your study plan should be. And your target, your benchmark, see, I will tell you very honestly, if you are a student who has not attended a national law university, you are from a traditional university, you go into any national law university, there is something that, yes, if you go into tier 1, your top 5 or your top 10, your name occurs, your CV get enhanced. If you are already from a national law university and you get another national law university, it is a diamond, a ruby added to you. And your tier 1 university and tier 2 university, I would not add tier 2 also, I will just tell you, target your tier 1 university. Seats are limited. If you are targeting the moon, you will at least be into the outer safe. So that's why. And if you need to go to the tier 1 university, 88 plus marks, make it 90 this year, because since the judiciary rule came, most of the female candidates are going to sit for the paper, and you have to be more competitive. Top 10, 75 plus marks. PSU recruitment call, you need 92 plus marks, and tier 2, tier 3 NLUs, you need 60 plus marks. Make 5, add 5 marks in all these sections. And lastly, your mock test strategy and analysis, it is very important that you attempt the maximum mocks, sectional as well as the full length mocks that are there for you, and it is very important that you attempt sectional mocks of each and specific subject, because this will help you know what particular thing you are missing out. Then as soon as you complete your mocks and your marks are there, spend some time to analyze this particular thing. Is there any repeated mistake? Two things you can find out is, one is your concept clarity, at this particular section I never read or I forgot, but a question is there, so I should go back and read particular section. Second thing, in your 2-3 mocks, are you doing a same mistakes related to a procedure or a part of your constitution or a section of your particular act? So you need to know that, yes, do I have this problem because my concept are not clear. Plus your reading speed is important. And lastly, you don't have to read everything, you need to eliminate some of these topics that are really not required as per any of the paper, not just CLAT PG specific, but there are certain times some things in your acts, your articles, there are some articles that you need not to learn because these things are never been asked. Not every schedule is important for your preparation, not every article is important for your paper, even there are some acts that are not important for your paper. Mark my words, the history has told us this particular thing and we have analyzed these past trends, and that's why I tell you, no one in the market has alumni directly from National Law University, and my team, ADDA 247 team, has got 4 National Law Universities alumni to make your CET PG LLM or CLAT PG LLM paper a success. And CLAT PG LLM paper is what us as an faculty have been through. Someone has given it 3 times, someone has given it 2 times, I myself have given it 3 times for my JAG entry. So we know certain things and we can help you get all these things, because some of you might be targeting a National Law University, some of you are doing it for your JAG, some of you are doing it even for your PSU call. So we know how much you need to invest in it. And lastly, the next 4 months, you are going to be your first month that I have already told you, your core legal theory and your foundational statutes. Second should be your recent Supreme Court judgment as well as your past landmark judgment. Month 3 is your sectional as well as your minor laws that you have missed in month 1. And lastly, month 4 is your full mock test series plus your bare acts reading, which is very important. If you need to ask any question from me, if you need to know your strategies, if you are planning to clear your CLAT PG paper, and if I can be of any help, let me know. There is in this description box you will find a Google map, Google form link of ask your doubt from your faculty. You can click on that, you will be connected with me. If you need to know anything about the batches, you can still fill that particular form, or also if you need to know each and everything about your preparation and need a guide from my side, this person, Advocate Harsh Chotrani, is always available for my students. Me as an educator, I do these things and I will be there for you. Don't worry. I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, you can fill the Google form or you can just comment below this particular video and I will answer your doubt. Thank you so much guys, and we'll back again with yet another video on your CLAT PG paper. Either it is from landmark judgment. You can follow our page. If you are a new person, subscribe to our channel, like this video and follow our channel for more parts.